Hi guys, and welcome to another quick video from PJ's Coin Keepers. I'm PJ. So if you haven't caught up yet, we've put a number of videos out just showing one coin at a time. And what I'm focusing on now is low mintage coins that you certainly want to try and find if you haven't got them yet. But these are all coins that are certainly worth more than face value. So today we're having a look at the 2013 $2 coin, which in this case is the Coronation. 60 years of the Queen being the Queen, and this is certainly one of my favorite coins. It is purple, as you can see, and I'm not sure, it's not necessarily my favorite designed coin, but it's certainly I suppose, I mean, it's a simple coin, but it has a wide appeal, being the fact that people love the royals, and therefore they've fallen in love with the coin. So this is an uncirculated version of the coin. The other coins that aren't in these 2x2s are ones that have been found in circulation, so they do show some wear, but I do have a number of these guys here, fortunately. So these guys, $2 face value, as you can see there. In uncirculated condition, they have been selling for $25 or more. In say, like in these kind of grades, anywhere from $12 to $15. Occasionally they, it all depends on condition. Like one of these ones is fairly poor, you might get $10 for that one, but this one's quite nice and you might get $20 for it. So yeah, all comes down to condition. But we'll just have a look at the mintage. As I said, these videos are about low mintage coins, and there we have a nice photo of the coin there in this book. So if we, these are all the mintages of the $2 coin, and as we get down to the 2013, we can see there the second line of 2013. Queen Elizabeth II Coronation circulation, and we have just under 1 million at 995,000. So guys, I've enjoyed bringing this video to you. Make sure you keep an eye out for these guys, well worth collecting, and look forward to bringing you another video soon. See you guys.